Hi, my name is Luke from Adreno Melbourne, and I want to show you guys how to tie a shark clip onto the back of a gun. There's a lot of guns in the marketplace that don't come with shark clips attached, or you're just replacing something that's been there for a year or two and it's just starting to wear. So we're going to use 2mm Dyneema, so it's very strong. To prep it, cut it at 60 centimeters. That'll give you enough to tie knots with, and then just give it a quick little burn just to kind of tie up the frays. So as you're going through the little tiny knots, it's not like bunching up or anything like that. On this particular knot, we're going to go through the base of the gun and then through the shark clip, and we're going to do that twice. And the reason why we do that is it's going to put more strength on the places where there's intersections. So basically, if there's a big tug or anything, it's going to be averaged over 2 points instead of 1. So it's just a nice way to keep things strong and nice and tidy. The knot we're going to tie is actually going to sandwich all that together, and it's going to keep it really nice and clean. It's not going to be one big loop that can rotate or anything like that. So when everything's right in there, you kind of just get everything even. And we're going to start tying our first knot. And we're going to use this guy here. The most important part is when we start wrapping, you're going to wrap back onto itself. So you notice that it's going back, and now we're wrapping back this other direction. You're going to wrap 2 times, and on the third, you're actually going to tuck it through, and it's going to interlock with this piece. So as it goes through, it's crossed it, and now as it tightens, there's this little crisscross inside this knot, and it just kind of rolls right into place. And to tighten it up, you just keep rolling it and tightening it. Now at this point, we're going to tie another one on this side, but you can actually still adjust the tension of the shark clip. So we can actually make this whole knot a little bit tighter by pulling the end, which draw the shark clip in, and you can kind of work it back out to even those 2 lines. And you can tighten it again and even it out, work it again. So that's pretty close. That's about how I want it. It's about 3 centimeters away from the handle. And this is the working end we're going to tie our next knot with. And again, to do that, we're going to wrap it back onto itself and start doing wraps. So do 1 wrap, a second one, and on the third, that's where it's going to go through the entire knot. So under, and then that's where the knot started, and that's where it's going to crisscross and tie into itself there. So to tighten it, pull the string and rotate the knot. What we have here is 2 opposing knots. So the tighter everything gets, they lock into each other. Makes it really, really nice and tight. So that you just kind of put in the center. From here, leave almost ½ centimeter of line. And it's actually okay that it's fuzzy and kind of messy, because that'll make it really easy to burn. So we're just going to clean it up by burning the ends here. And the final little bit with a pair of needle nose pliers, you can just grab the tail and that will tighten up the knot there. So that's how you tie a shark clip onto the back of the gun there. And it's nice and sturdy, ready to go onto a float line.